When you search for wireless dog fences, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to find what actually works, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, petsafe receiver collar. Let's kick things off with the petsafe wireless pet fence containment system receiver collar. Priced at $128.99. This collar caught my attention because it's specifically designed for pets over 8 pounds and is waterproof. If you want a reliable collar that helps keep your pets safe, this is worth a serious look. This collar is a game changer for pet owners because it's compatible with all petsafe wireless fence transmitters. The waterproof feature means you don't have to worry about your dog getting wet while playing outside. Plus, the long battery life lasts between 1 to 3 months, depending on use. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You won't have to constantly replace batteries, which saves both time and money. With over 5,000 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear that many pet owners trust this product. Now, some people complained about the collar being a bit bulky for smaller dogs. Here's the thing though, as long as your dog is over 8 pounds, this should be just fine. It may not be the best option for tiny breeds, but for most dogs, it's a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you have multiple pets and need a reliable collar that fits snugly and comfortably. Skip this one if you have a dog under 8 pounds, or if you're looking for a lightweight collar. Now, if you're worried about the size of that collar, the next option might just be the perfect fit for your furry friend. Product number 2, petsafe wireless containment system. Next up is the petsafe wireless pet containment system, which goes for $240. This one really caught my eye because it covers up to half an acre. If you want a hassle-free setup, this is definitely worth a serious look. What makes this system stand out is the adjustable circular range, which allows you to customize the boundary for your pet. It sets up in just a few hours without the digging and burying of wires, which is a major plus. The static-free reentry feature means your dog can come back home without receiving a correction, making it a gentle option for training. With a 4.1-star rating from over 10,100 reviews, it's evident that many pet owners appreciate its user-friendly design. However, a few users mentioned the collar's battery life could be better, lasting only up to 2 months. But here's the thing, if you're consistent with battery checks, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. Keeping your pets safe is worth the minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a portable fence that you can use for camping or at vacation homes. Skip this if you have a very large yard and need coverage beyond half an acre. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for stubborn pups. Product number 3, petsafe stay and play. Now, we have the petsafe stay and play wireless fence for stubborn dogs, priced at $275.25. This caught my attention because it's designed specifically for hard-to-train pets. If you got a stubborn pup, this is definitely worth a serious look. This system protects a 3/4 acre yard, which is generous for most homes. It features a tone-only mode and 5 levels of static correction, so you can adjust depending on how your dog responds during training. The wireless setup means no digging or wires are needed, simplifying your life. It's portable and easy to use, with a 4.1-star rating from 4,200 reviews, showing that many pet owners have found success with it. Some users reported that the collar might be a bit heavy for smaller dogs. But here's the thing. If you have a medium to large dog, this should work just fine. It's all about fitting the right collar to the right pet. This is perfect for you if you have a stubborn dog that needs extra training support. Skip this if your dog is already well-trained and doesn't need correction. The value you get from this system can really pay off in the long run. Now, if you want a more high-tech solution, the next option is really something special. Product number 4, GPS wireless dog fence. Next, let's look at the GPS wireless dog fence system by DJNFGQ, retailing at $195.99. What stood out about this product is its use of GPS technology to create invisible fences. If you're looking for flexibility in boundary settings, this is worth a serious look. The GPS technology allows for a completely customizable barrier, which means you can set it up anywhere without worrying about traditional installation. It has both circular and free-form fence modes, letting you outline boundaries that perfectly fit your yard's shape. It's also waterproof and rechargeable, which means it can withstand outdoor conditions. With a 4.2-star rating from 373 reviews, it seems to be gaining popularity with dog owners. However, a few buyers mentioned that it works best outdoors, which might limit its use if you're inside a home. But honestly, if you're using it as a reliable outdoor solution, it's more than adequate. This is perfect for you if you need a versatile solution for camping or outdoor adventures. Skip this if you're looking for something strictly for indoor use. The price is reasonable for the advanced features you get. Now, if you're still looking for something portable, the final product on our list might just be the answer. Product number 5, petsafe Stay and Play Dog Fence. Finally, we have the petsafe Stay and Play Dog and Cat Wireless Fence, which is a bit hard to price as it's currently unavailable. This model really caught my eye because of its LCD display showing the play area range. If you want an easy-to-use system, this deserves a serious look. This system also covers up to 3/4 acre and has a reliable circular boundary that helps guide your pet back home. The LCD display is a unique feature that gives you a visual reference for your pet's play area, which is super helpful. It's portable and easy to set up, and it has a solid 4.0-star rating from over 6,700 reviews, indicating a good mix of performance and user satisfaction. Some users noted that the system could have better instructions for setup. But here's the thing. Once you get it set up, the ease of use and features definitely outweigh the initial confusion. This is perfect for you if you want a user-friendly system that keeps your pets safe without hassle. Skip this if you're looking for something with more extensive coverage. For the features it offers, it's a solid investment for pet owners. All right, let's wrap this up. To recap, we've covered the petsafe receiver collar, the petsafe wireless containment system, the petsafe Stay and Play for stubborn dogs, the GPS wireless dog fence, and the petsafe Stay and Play dog fence. Each has its perks and drawbacks, but all can help keep your furry friends safe and happy. Choose the one that fits your lifestyle best and gives you peace of mind.